Hi everybody, I'm Tristan from OpenAI, and today I'm going to show you how to use Codex through our services from OpenAI. So first thing you need to go on our documentation. So over here you can see that we have a fully tutorial how to connect to it. So first thing you need to do is the prerequisite. So you need to follow this install instruction. The install instruction is pretty easy, to be honest. It's a GitHub. You need to use npm or brew to install Codex. So I'm going to use through npm. You need to take this one and run it over there. It will take some times. That's pretty easy and pretty fast, to be honest. So I was about to say, you need to go back on the tutorial. They say you need to get an API key, so you're gonna run this. Now you go on manage. You're gonna create a new API key. You can use your production one, but I will advise you to create an additional one so you can monitor the consumption of this key specifically. So what I'm gonna do is add a Codex API key. It's gonna be a production one. I'm gonna put the limits to $10 and the expiration date I want it to be for a month, so I'm gonna create it like this. So next thing you need to do is copy it. Then you need to we need to configure this, so I'm gonna copy that and put it on the top of our config terminal. So I'm going back on my console, run it .codex. Afterwards, nano config, and you need to add it here. Oh, so as you see, it's already pasted. I already did that. The only thing I change is the model because I want to use the GPT 5.5 model. And then I go clear. I need to export my API key. So to do that, I'm gonna use the bash config. Since I'm not on a PowerShell, you can use the PowerShell command if you're on PowerShell. I'm gonna use the bash command and put my API key, so my real API key here. So over there. And I'm gonna edit that with the real API key. And now the next thing you need to do is go on Codex. So the next thing you do is try the model. So as you can see here, it's the OpenAI GPT-5 model. So it should be the good config. What I can advise you is change the permission. So let's say you want to use the permission for agents. You need to access the full models. Without it, it won't be able to do what they want to. And now I want to create a story. No, you know what? You know what? This time we're gonna change, and I want them to show me the current value of Americans dollars in euros. So it's doing web search. So tools are actually working, and you can see that the current mid-market rate is about $1 for 85 cents of euros. Okay, so eventually, if you have any trouble connecting or following the tutorials, don't hesitate to look at the documentation. And also, if you are still stuck, don't hesitate to put it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you and And if anything else occurs, don't hesitate to put it in the support chat. And anyway, see you soon on OpenAI.